going to? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to put our first coat of paint on. Can you see the excitement in my face? I'm so excited. But we're here now. I've already taken off all the cabinets. I've pretty much sanded everything down. My wife has been helping me, thank God, because I don't even want to do this anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna get through this thing. We're putting the kids down right now, and then I'm gonna jump into it. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna give you guys today because, yeah, I gotta knock this out. I gotta get as much done as possible. Our house is a wreck, so I am just tired of living like this. But let's go ahead and take a look at the family. I think my wife's putting them down, and then we're gonna get started with all the painting. What are you doing? Are you ignoring me? She whiz. Is mom back there? Hey, mom. Are you ready to knock this thing out? Or am I doing this by myself? Hey. You look like how I looked just a little while ago. Like, we look very excited to do this. So, what's up, man? Hey. You guys gonna help mommy and daddy paint? Yeah. You guys sound so excited too. But let's go and get started with this, guys. Man, take a look at this space. It is so dirty in here. But to take your eyes off of how messy we are right now, take a look at this. This is the very first coat of primer. This is looking really good so far. Now, if you are painting cabinetry, cabinet doors, etc., or if you're painting any kind of trim like this, you're gonna probably need to put 3 coats minimum. As far as the walls go, the walls came out really nice. I just used a big ruler and I just start going at them, and 2 coats here will be done. I did do this piece too on the roof, but I needed to get a smaller roller. I bought this big one, and I probably need to just get smaller ones to kind of get inside of the cabinets, and just to kind of get small little spaces inside the RV, inside the cabinetry, and we should be good. We did use this Kills adhesion. I'll be sure to put a link in the description of all the stuff that we used. This is the stuff my father-in-law recommended, and so far so good. I've been scratching too, just to see, and it's not coming off. So this is pretty fresh paint too, and it did not come off there. And I scratched with my nail, whatever nail I have. But again, good paint so far. Take your time, do all your taping, do all your plastic stuff. I'm not a painter, so I'm just learning as I go here. But one thing I can tell you is take your time, do prep work. If you're a beginner like I am, tape everything and protect everything too, because I bought these cheap little paint trays, and I got paint on my floor because they're broken. And I'll make sure I tell you what not to buy on Amazon. These don't buy expensive stuff. Do not cheap out. Get nice expensive brushes, get nice expensive everything, get nice expensive paint, and that way you will have that much less things to worry about. Now, I did notice on here, oh, actually it's not coming off now. So this is plastic, and this Kills is a beast, because at first it started scratching off, but I guess it wasn't fully dry yet. But I gotta tell you, this is some really good stuff. I just got done painting this area here, and then we're pretty much ready for a second coat, and then a third coat for the trim. And yeah, like I said, I'll let you guys see the finished product. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm not too good at doing videography like this. Yeah, so I'll do my best to show you guys what you want to see. I'll be honest with you though, painting and doing this is hard, so I will do my best to give you all the good stuff that you need to see. And yeah, like I said, once we're done with all the priming, we're gonna go to the store, buy some paint, and then we'll just knock this out. And then from there, we'll be pretty much putting this all back together. But yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with this result. This looks so much brighter. This is what we were looking for. This is just a primer. Nothing wrong with this. I mean, this looks nice too, don't get me wrong, but it's just depressing for us. Like, I like to be bright, and this is not bright enough for us. So we're gonna paint this whole rig and make this thing look like heaven. So hope this video is helpful. Again, I will put in the description everything that we bought, and I will try to keep a good tally of everything I'm buying and purchasing. That way you guys have an idea. But so far, with all the tools and all the things you need for painting, I think we're like at $260. So that's not bad. I mean, I was actually thinking this was going to cost a little bit more. But yeah, it's been pretty good. I'm pretty excited. It's just a lot of work. If don't judge me if like I give up on this thing and like hire someone. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, look at that. This is kind of some areas where I was telling you where you're gonna have to put 3 coats at minimum. So again, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you very soon.